the family of the debutant and the debutant herself. So please, let us give them a big hand.
Hello everyone, I would like to thank you for coming to join me in celebrating this once-in-a-lifetime moment. This event would not have been made possible without the help of my family, especially my parents, who have put a lot of their time and effort into putting everything together. Thank you. I'm very thankful and lucky to have such a wonderful, supporting family, and I thank God for them. I would also like to thank the cotillion dancers who gave their time in spite of their busy school or work schedule to dance today and make this event even more special. But of course, we could not have had a great performance without our choreographer, Kuya Allen, and company. Everyone, please give them a round of applause. Once again, thank you for being a part of this special event. Please enjoy the rest of the party. Thank you.
Daddy, thank you.
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyong lahat. Una po sa lahat, pinapasalamatan ko ang ating kung may kapal at binigyan niya tayo ng pagkakataong magdiwang ngayon sa karawan ng ating anak. Ang parangal at papuri ay para po sa kanya. Pinasasalamatan ko din po ang aking mga classmates from PNP. Despite of their busy schedules, they came over and celebrated with us. Relatives, friends, sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat po sa pakikipagdiwang niyo po sa amin. Sa pong karangalan na kayo po yung makapiling namin. It is a great pride and honor to have Jem as our daughter. And she's worth to be given a celebration like this. Jem is a sweet, loving, caring, kind child. And she's also a God-fearing daughter. Always remember, we love you, Jem. We'll always support you, whatever endeavor you will do. With that, happy birthday, and we love you so much. And we request everybody for a toast. Please, everybody, to stand, please, and raise your glass, and everybody, cheers for Jem.